Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel guys. So guys, today I'm discussing a very important topic is called suppose you are making a YouTube channel videos. Okay, the videos will be purpose to promote your something content like that anything. So in this promotion, what are the making images are there? The image, the video, how we connect in the GIF images. So previous GIF image purpose we can using for Canva.com. Okay, but in your YouTube video, how will be converting for GIF option? That mean by motion poster or you're using GIF. This will be using for posting for community purpose. That mean by to promote your business purpose. First of all, select any one video. Okay, so this video will be I'm selecting this option. Okay, so in this video, how we can convert as a GIF image? That is called the website is called gifs.com, but it is not a free one. This is a paid one. But the motion poster we can download, we can remove the logo also using Canva option. No need to worry that one. So in this one, how we making the particular video GIF image? The taking time will be less than 60 seconds. Just we will be time will be spent and download the option will be here. Okay, download option will be here. So that is the will be a particular option will be selecting in this video. Before this video, how we can converting for GIF image in a YouTube before double dot is there now. Remove the dot up to HTTP double dot up to you can remove it. Add by GIF before Y option. After GIF before Y option. In this any video we can convert into GIF format. The select the certain seconds. The seconds will be 30 seconds will be select or 15 seconds or 5 seconds. Most of the people selecting for particular seconds will be here. So in this one, you can select the particular seconds. So that option will be here. So where you can select the option. Here is the option selected here. So in this, what are the options selected here? Select the every option will be here. So guys, here I'm selecting the particular second. The seconds will be here. That is a particular option will be in this. There will be 5 seconds selecting for GIF. GIF image most will selecting for 5-second images. So that is the option will be selected here. So here in this selecting caption, learn digital marketing. Learn digital marketing online. So after this option will be selected and color will be selected. So what are the alignment, everything we select. But here, what are the GIF image you create? That is a complete for paid option, guys, not for the free. That is called free user. If you download the image, the compulsory need will be watermark. So the watermark remove from in this option. So here, the option will be selected here. Framework, GIF. So alignment, border, everything will be here. So always I'm selecting for footer option. After that, this video will be converted into GIF only for up to 5 seconds. Create a GIF image. Final, when you're creating for GIF image time, is asking for your option will be here. So that it will be in this learn DM online. After this one, you can add a tag, but I'm not using the any tag option. So now it is going to be public. Click for next. But it's asking for access complete full feature. We can go to purchase option. Is a $1.99 per month. But I'm not looking for paid one. I'm looking for free one. No thanks. After this one, the show option name is called download the future will be here. But a small problem is called they showing for watermark in this option. This will be removed from using Canva option. No need to worry. Why? Because every particular option GIF will be suitable by the in a particular things. So select the video and remove this watermark. But this particular the 5 seconds we can convert into GIF format by using YouTube video. That option name is called GIF gif.com. That mean by GIFs.com. But you can directly we can download the YouTube video where before why we can enter the GIF and download the particular video and convert it in GIF format up to 5 seconds. So finally, I download it. This will be original. But a small drawback is called watermark. Remain everything is good. Now you can download. This GIF will be using for particular your YouTube community to promote your channel purpose. That is very flexible to download the logo on a particular option. So this is a method will be download by GIF image on a particular things. The watermark you have to purchase a site. The whatever remove purpose, you can go to Canva and remove the watermark. No need to worry about this watermark option. The simple one, go to Canva, select the particular size and download it. So how to use this option? Go to community. So what is the purpose of this GIF will be converted? The main reason is called where you can promoting for images. Here GIF image will be allowed. So guys, GIF image more attractive to the users in a particular option. So in this one, so where is GIF? I'll go to GIF is here. So what are the options are here? This will be not on this. So we can all will be reposition your particular things. So here next GIF images major one select. Here will be add your content. So now I'm adding the content here. Post is the content here. Paste it. Click for post. The GIF will be posting for YouTube purpose and promote your things here. So this is option will be selecting for your particular things on this selecting for GIF purpose. So what are the options are here? You can use the GIF image from Instagram also useful and the Facebook also utilize from the particular things. So this is the purpose. We have to create GIF image to posting content will be YouTube and Facebook and Instagram, Twitter purpose. So this is the option will be create for the YouTube video as a GIF option. But your only drawback is called watermark. Even everything is good. So any further doubt, you can ask me to this channel. I definitely will be support. So what are the content you change? You can go back and change your content also will be very flexible. So this is the way you can YouTube video convert as a GIF format up to 5 seconds. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.